Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Look what I've got. I'm here today to share my February monthly unboxing of my Stamps of Life card club kit, and let's get into it. So here it is. I'm gonna pull everything out and then we'll look at it closer. So, as always, they give you the inspiration card, and this month's card kit is called Take It Easy Collection, February 2021, and it boasts some dragonflies. So if you've seen my Die Hard Club unboxing, I will link that here. Earlier in this month, it coordinates with this, and here is that Die Club set, as well as the stamps. So in the card club, we received, look at these layered flowers. I think they're made of paper with the gemmy centers. Beautiful. And we also received a stamp set with a dragonfly and a swirly. It says, wishing you a lovely day and hello beautiful. We also got these colorful gemmies, and they're faceted. Love the colors. The camera's not doing justice to it at all. We also got 2 spools of ribbon. Beautiful colors. And you'll notice everything is coordinating. Oh, we also got this die. It also has the shadow piece, and it does cut this dragonfly and the swirly from the sentiment stamp in the club set. Love it. Then also we got a sentiment called Take It Easy, and it has the shadow piece as well. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'll show you samples of the cuts. We also got this chipboard. I don't think they're stickers, no, they're just chipboard pieces with the flowers and the dragonflies. And then we also got a paper pad. You get this double-sided paper pad, good quality paper. And if you'll notice, the dragonflies are big enough because the Die Hard dies will cut these bad boys out, so you don't have to fussy cut them. Beautiful paper. One more time. And we also get coordinating cardstock. That goes well with the paper collection and all the embellishments that were provided in your club kit. You also get envelopes for A2 size cards because this is a card kit. But this is everything. And so stay tuned. I will be back shortly to show you some samples of the die cuts and the stamps, and maybe a little project share. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back with my samples. So I just cut the sentiment that was in the kit. Remember, it says Take It Easy, and it has the shadow piece. And so this is how the cutout looks. Oops, I have one more. And I did cut them out with the adhesive sheet on the back to make it easier, because you know it says take it easy. So there's that. And then I did use the die cuts, and I die cut out the dragonflies that were on the paper pad. So those. And then I did stamp and use the stamp set and stamp some of the paper pad papers and die cut those out. And so I made some cards. I haven't attached them to the card bases. I'm going to do that now. And I will just speed this part up. I'll attach both of them. Okay, so these are both of the cards. So yeah, that was the unboxing for the February Club Card Kit, featuring the Die Hard kit as well. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing and joining me on my crafty journey. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!